Now, my $200 juicer just broke, so I had to order another one. And I ordered from that place where I tell people don't order. I had to, because it's made in China. And I wasn't paying another $200 for a juicer, a cold press juicer that does not work. I mean, it only works for a year. And I paid $200? I don't think so. I paid less than $100 for this one. So I'm gonna open it up and see what it looks like. And do I have it up and down? It says, what does it say? Masticating juicer, preserve nutrients and natural. I think masticating just means cold press. I hope that's what it means, because that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm trying to do. Cold. It said cold press, so we will see. And the first thing I'm going to juice will be beets and celery. Makes a great morning drink. So, let's see what she looks like on the inside. Oh. All right, yeah, that's what I was looking for. Cold press juicer, baby, cold press. You want cold press because the other ones, the motor heats up a lot when you spin it around, and it zaps the nutrients, the live enzymes from your fruits and vegetables. So you always want cold press. So let's see what this cold press looks like. Here we go. Here is the part that the juicer goes in. And I guess this is the brush to clean out little intricate parts. So I imagine it goes like that. Yeah, real simple. That's what I need, something really simple. And I guess this is for a spout. I'm guessing. Yeah, I'm guessing. I don't know. So I think I'm going to have to read the directions, because I'm not quite sure where that goes. Okay. And in the meantime, in between time, I'll pull out the other part. Voila. Here we go. Oh, I see where that part goes immediately. There's the cord. And I think, will it go here? I don't know. We'll see in a minute. I have no idea what this is for either. And don't know what this part is for. I'm going to soon find out. Oh, this is what holds, probably one holds the pulp and the other one holds the juice. So that's what we're working with. So as you can see, these are all the parts. And how does this go in here? Yep, go just like that. I think. Yep. And then you plug it in. And one part goes here. One part goes there. I guess this goes in the top. I don't know. Yeah, it goes in the top. So, as you can see, it's assembled. That's how it looks. And now I got to go rinse it off. Wash it, rather, because it's brand new. You don't know where it's been. Wash it out in vinegar and baking soda. And I got a little lavender. No, I'll just use baking soda and vinegar. And I washed it. And when I come back, I'll be showing you how I'm going to juice this morning. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for caring.